Link in the description, check it out. Bike phone mount. Bovon bike phone mount, 360 degrees rotatable adjustable universal silicone motorcycle phone mount bicycle GPS units holder, compatible with iPhone 11 Pro Max/X/XS Max/XR/8/8 Plus, Samsung S20/S10/S10e. Freely 360 degrees rotation, fully free adjustable 360 degrees rotation for viewing your phone at the most desired angle, horizontal, vertical or any angle you want, which makes your journey easier and more comfortable. Stable on bumpy road, unlike other bicycle holders with loose adjustable holes which can only be sized according to the position of the holes, they often cause instability. Our adjustable belt with close thread and nut design firmly locks the handlebars. Even if you are driving on a rough road, there is no shake. Universal high compatibility, stretchable rubber belt makes Bovon bike phone mount 100% fit any smartphones with 4.5 inches 6.5-inch screens. It works well with iPhone 11 Pro Max/11/11 Pro/X/XS/XS Max/XR/8/8 Plus/7/6, Samsung Galaxy S20/S10/S10e/S10 Plus. Fit most handlebars, easily attach and detach in seconds from handlebars with diameter size 18 to 43 mm. Widely used on bicycle, motorcycle, stroller, treadmill, shopping cart, scooter, wheelchair and any other round handlebar. You can even use it as a phone stand on the desk for movie watching. Secure and rest assured, made of high quality and elastic silicone, it absorbs all shocks and prevents your smartphone from scratches.